It is closed already, and I haven't returned the bicycle yet. They probably thought I stole the bicycle. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my solo alphabet date series. So today we're on B. For B, I'm gonna be doing 3 things: buying and reading a book, drinking a boba, and going on a bicycle ride at a park, which I've been wanting to do for so long but just never did until today. So let's go.
Bookstore time! I'm on the hunt for that one book that will finally make me put down my phone for once. As I started looking around, I realized every single book here is wrapped up, so my only clues were the title and the blurb on the back, basically judging the book by its cover. Then, while I was looking around more, I spotted this book that was actually open. So I sat down, started reading, and turns out I like this book. Like basically, inside there's like chapters of different months from January till December and every date. So it would be great to read it daily. It's nice, you know, it's not that long either, like one day this much. I would love to buy it now, but I wanna start from the beginning. So maybe next year? Yeah, next year, to start reading from January itself. So the hunt continues. I decided to check out the bestseller section instead of the others because I figured those books are more likely to be worth my money. As I was scrolling through all those titles, these 2 books really caught my attention and I couldn't really decide. Okay, I'll go with the price because like this one is cheaper, this one is way more expensive. This is the one. Okay, now time for boba. While I'm drinking, how about we unbox the book and maybe start reading too? So I just finished drinking the boba tea and I also read a chapter. It's about 16 reasons why you still don't have the love you want. Honestly, all of the reasons, almost all of them, I can relate to it and it does help, you know. So I think I made a right choice buying this book because the 101 essays here, it doesn't only talk about one thing. It's about so many things for different circumstances and situations. So according to that, I can read it. And yeah, I do want to continue reading it right now, but it's getting late. So I should probably go to the park before it gets too late. Okay, so let's go. Okay, here's where you can rent a bike. It's about 2 kilometers from the main entrance gate, and you can pick any color you like. Prices usually range from 40 to 60 baht.
There is also a butterfly garden. I think this is a butterfly garden. It opens from Tuesday till Sunday from 8:30 to 4:30, but it's 5 p.m. now, so I'm late. Oh, I didn't know. God, I'm sweating a lot. Look at all the sweats. Guys, I'm extremely... It is closed already and I haven't returned the bicycle yet. I didn't know it closes at 7. They have my student ID. Where am I supposed to keep this bicycle? They probably thought I stole the bicycle. พี่คะว่าไงครับผมอันนี้จักรยานเขาปิดแล้วค่ะปิด
อันนี้ลงอันนี้35เอ้ย
หานิดหน่อยค่ะ
ได้นิดหน่อย
ค่ะ
ได้ครับ
โอเคค่ะบ๊ายบายค่ะขอบคุณค่ะโคกนัทวัดAnyways, that wraps up my alphabet date for the letter B. Today was a full day full of movement, peace, some surprises, and also a little bit of chaos. It was a great day. So thank you for coming along with me. I hope you like it. And yeah, see you on my next episode for the alphabet C. Bye-bye.